Hello, I'm Hannah McIntosh and I'm going to discuss the curriculum links for my EHT4100 lesson plan. Descriptors. Number 1 is investigate how and why food and fibre are produced in managed environments and prepared to enable people to grow and be healthy. Number 2 is critique needs or opportunities for designing and investigate materials, components, tools, equipment and processes to achieve intended design solutions. Number 3 is to plan, create, communicate ideas and information, including collaboratively online, applying agreed ethical, social, and technical. The first content descriptor is a design and technology content descriptor, and it is under the knowledge and understanding substrand. The relevant elaboration is using current food guides and government-endorsed food policies to plan food choices. It also had relevant general capabilities, critical and creative thinking, and numeracy. Critical thinking is required when students answer inquiry questions and also when they make adaptations to their design. Creative thinking is required to generate ideas, and also numeracy was needed to ensure their design fits. This content descriptor was relevant across all the lessons. In the first one, by comparing the current tuckshop menu with food guides. The second was using the food guides to plan food choices. The third one was using food guides to help generate ideas for alternate products. The fourth lesson, it was very similar to lesson 3, however it was designing. And lesson 5 was using their knowledge of government food guides to justify their choices and persuade the tuck shops. This is particularly relevant to lesson 1 as the students are breaking down the vocabulary and specifications within the design brief. They're also exploring the steps to success. And this content descriptor falls under the investigating and defining section in the sequence of content, which we can see reflected in that lesson because they're investigating. The third content descriptor is this time a digital one, digital technology, and it falls under processes and production skill strand. The relevant elaboration is using digital systems to create web-based information, taking into consideration referencing conventions, for example, creating a blog, website, or online learning space for sharing ideas. The relevant general capabilities are ICT, critical and creative thinking, and literacy. ICT, again, is that they have to be competent in Padlet, Excel, and MindMeister. Critical and creative thinking is required when they collaboratively make decisions, and literacy is required in their. This content descriptor is in the collaborating and managing sequence of content, which we can see in lesson 2, 3, and 4. In lesson 2, it's when they create a Padlet. In lesson 3, they use MindMeister to communicate their ideas, and they also would have to use ethical and social protocols when negotiating which idea to decide on. Lesson 4 is sharing their amended content. There's also an opportunity for cross-curriculum priority amongst the lessons, and the cross-curriculum priority is Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander history and culture. It's incorporated into lesson 4, as lesson 4 is a relatively quick lesson, so there's an opportunity to finish early and engage in a task card activity, where students each receive a bit of an information card about either an Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander tribe food habits. The students then discuss and open up a dialogue about the level of healthiness in each food culture. And below are some references. Thank you very much.